Next, let's talk about the security groups. Security groups are like virtual firewall that control the incoming and outgoing network traffic to an EC2 instance. AWS security groups are like stateful firewall, meaning once a connection is established, the response traffic is automatically allowed, regardless of any rules. Security groups have separate inbound and outbound rules that define the traffic that is allowed to flow into and out of an instance. Rules can be specified for specific IP addresses, range of IP addresses, or the security group, and the rules can be based on protocols such as TCP, UDP, or ICMP and on port numbers. Every EC2 instance is automatically associated with the default security group. It's recommended to create a custom security group with more restrictive rules. An EC2 instance can be associated with multiple security groups, allow you to apply multiple set of rules to the same instance. Security group rules can be modified at any time, allow you to change the level of access to your instances as needed. AWS also provide tools and services for auditing and logging the security group activity, such as Amazon CloudWatch logs and CloudTrails.